guys, what's up? It's Karate Guy 247 here, and today I have just came out of the Lego laboratory, and today I have came out with a new project, another Lego gun. Alright, challenge, info card above. Can you tell me what channel this Lego gun is from and what video it's called? Well, what the gun is really called. Alright, so that'll be info cards above right there sometime. Right? So I'm gonna go over some of the specs of it first, and then we can get into shooting. Right, specs. Iron sights, attachable mounts, movable trigger, trigger with resistance, side pullback, impossible to pull on one side. Well, possible, but it'll probably break to pieces. Rubber bands showing, and really, I should say, extended grip. Right? This is also a single shot gun, so it would be impractical to use this as a main weapon. But I might come out with the main weapon sooner or later, like an Uzi or some sort of UMP thing. So now let's get into firing. Set up the little targets. Go back. Set back. Stick in the 2x2. It works best. Shoot. Wait, let's get it at a range. Stand Felding, so sorry about that. Also, the bullet / the brick that's inside the gun, if you tip it down like that, yeah, it will come out. So it doesn't have like a magazine or anything. If you guys can engineer this to have like some sort of magazine, that would be greatly appreciated. But if you can't, well then, might as well just find me another video that has like some sort of machine gun thing. Focus. Focus. Alright, well, so firing. So now, let's get on to the mechanism. Alright, info card above. Do you want to help me out with some of these Lego videos? Because I want some help. I can't always do these by myself. But, like, if you guys don't want to help, then that's fine by you. I'm supposed to be, like, satisfying you, not myself, anyways. So, here it is. Like that. I'm kind of sick, so you're going to hear that a lot throughout. Slides back and forth on the guide rail. I apologize for the lawnmower in the background. I can't help it if like neighbors are mowing their lawn. Hold. Trying not to obstruct your view of this thing, but Right, so what goes on, as I just showed you, is there's a guide rail and there's a bolt to this gun that you can't really pull it with one side. So there's a hole in the bolt right there where this notch grabs onto, so it prevents it from going forward, and that's where like the trigger mech comes in. Because there's this L piece that's 4 bricks tall, a 1x3, and this flat piece that really helps. There's just more of those flat piece things just connecting everything up. Right? So when you put it all together, it should look something like this. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and leave a like on this video. Not exactly share the wealth, but I mean, like, show your support. Subscription squad. Woo woo! Right? So, also, I have a challenge. Well, not exactly a challenge, but something to help me out a bit. Can you find some sort of instructions for Lego guns that I might be able to build? I can't build huge stuff, like huge M1 Grands or like sniper rifles, but I can build like decent sized stuff, like some larger pistols, Uzis, and like mini shotguns, because my Lego laboratory is very large. Although I might not have access to as many of like these pieces. Right, so thanks a lot for watching. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below on comment down below if you can get a tutorial for me. And where did this piece come from? I don't know, I'll find that out later. Right, so remember to comment, leave a like, subscribe to my channel right there. Up there is my previous Lego gun video that I did. And over there is a video that YouTube thinks that you'll like. Alright, and have a great day.